Shulini TV. News from the campus.
Hello and welcome. I am Yashoda on Shulini TV, presenting you with this week's news bulletin. First, the headlines. Countrywide Curiosity Quiz gets underway. Virtual Dan Utsav Week receives huge response. Competitions mark Gandhi Jayanti Day. Special session organized on Pharmacy Day. First, the lead news. The annual Biz Quiz competition organized by the university every year has transformed this year into Curiosity Quiz to create All India platform. Arushi, what details can you share with us?
Thanks, Yashoda. It must come as a big surprise to the viewers that the Curiosity Quiz is perhaps the first ever All India virtual quiz being organized for the senior school students. I interviewed Dr. Kuldeep Rose, Director MBA Program, for the special and the unique features of the quiz. Here is what he had to say.
There are many things that differentiate Curiosity 2020 from the previous quizzes. Firstly, this is the first ever quiz competition which is being organized online. Secondly, the number of teams which are participating this year, they are almost 200. Previously, there were around 100 teams which used to participate in Curiosity. Thirdly, the schools this time are from different states, almost from all over the country and from every corner of this vast nation. Then, the technology, studio and know-how which are being used are all developed indigenously in the campus itself. Curiosity 2020 has also enhanced the prize this year, and now it is 25,000 for the winning team. We all are excited to host different teams from different schools and look forward for some exciting competition. May the best team win. Thank you.
The quiz is being held in 4 rounds, with one student participating from each school respectively. The first prize winner would take away home rupees 25,000, while the first and the second runner-up would take rupees 10,000 and rupees 5,000 respectively. Here is what the chief guest, Ambassador Vishnu Prakash, former envoy to Canada and South Korea, had to say at the inaugural.
The singer and the entrepreneur, they had self-belief, they had tenacity, they had hard work, and above all, they had a dream. And that's what I want to speak about today. My young friends, dare to dream. You will not be in your teens or 20s forever. It will be there only once in your life. But be realistic, play to your strengths. Pursue your own dreams, not that of anyone else.
Earlier, Professor Atul Khosla, founder and pro-vice chancellor of Shulini University, said this at the inauguration function.
The second thought that comes to my mind is, why should I as a student do it if I don't win it? And I remember a saying by one of the chief guests who came to my quizzes that it's not about winning or losing, it's about participating. And participating with lots of passion, with a desire to win. And that's the second thing I think which I'm hoping all the students will bring in. Passion for themselves, for the parents, for the school, and the desire to win.
The month-long quiz would conclude with the finale by the end of the month.
That should be really interesting and exciting quiz competition. May the best team win. Even in these unprecedented times, Shulinians haven't hesitated from organizing charity events. What details do you have on the Dan Utsav?
Shulini University celebrated Dan Utsav from October 2nd to 8th. The fundraise by the university during the Dan Utsav was sent to Gunj, a Delhi-based NGO. Various virtual events were conducted under the supervision of Mrs. Poonam Nanda. So ma'am, what's the concept behind the Dan Utsav organized by the university?
See, Videhi, Dan Utsav is actually the week of giving that celebrated the world over. And India, we've converted it to Dan Utsav, and for the last 3 years, our university has been celebrating it it's actually celebrated only by the students. So they do all kinds of activities. They collect clothes, other material, they collect cash, hold fundraising activities. And then whatever they collect, they make sure that everything is delivered to people, underprivileged people, or we give it to some NGO that we decide to, gift it to. That's the concept behind it. And this year things are different because we are not on campus. So we've changed the mode, and instead of actually donating physical things, the students have organized the whole week full of activities. We started with a film show. Today we have a musical concert, and then there are fun and games and activities. And on the last day, we have the grand finale with our alumni Shubham Surya, who's a very, very well-known singer, and he's going to sing for us. And each ticket costs ₹50. So every student who buys a ticket for the show actually contributes to the cause.
Okay, so ma'am, do you propose to organize more such campings in the near future?
Well, Dan Utsav will happen only once a year, but we do have more campaigns, and the next big one that we will have will be in the month of February when we celebrate World Cancer Day. And similarly, we just don't do 4th of February, we will celebrate World Cancer Day for a whole week and then do cricket matches. I don't know how we'll do the virtual cricket matches this time, but a lot of activities are done, and that will be our next fundraising campaign, and for that then the funds will go to UVCAN.
Various virtual events organized included a movie night, online games, treasure hunt, music concert, fun art calligraphy workshop, Shubham Surya's concert, and SFY Bingo Challenge. These certificates are provided to all the participants of the fun art competition. Back to Yashoda.
Thank you, Vedahi. That was really a very confident presentation by a fresher who just joined us recently. And now, Ronika, what details can you give us on the event conducted by the Loudspeaker Club of our university?
The Loudspeaker Club of the university organized a fun event called Dil Ki Suno Kuch Kaho to celebrate World Heart Day. Students participated with enthusiasm and had a lot to say about their heartfelt thoughts through poetry, shairi and storytelling. Rohit Uttam from BJMC, Aradhana from B Pharmacy and Saurabh Verma from BTech Biotech emerged as winners. Here is an excerpt from Aradhana's performance.
Today I am here to share some of my opinions about loving yourself. So guys, when we think about our heart, we think about love and we think about relationship basically. So guys, in your eyes, what do you think? What is the most important relationship that it's very, very necessary in our life and should be our priority, I guess. For me, it should be relationship with myself or with me. So guys, relationship with myself, it's not being selfish at all. It's just loving yourself. In this world, sometimes we are so busy with others and we didn't even care for us, and that's why we are depressed today, and that's why we are stressed out. Sometimes we think why we are stressed out, why we don't have any peace, just because you are not spending time with yourself.
That was really nice. And now here is Ayushi telling us about Gandhi Jayanti celebration in the campus.
Gandhi Jayanti was celebrated this year through a wonderfully executed program. It had a virtual tour of Sabramati Ashram, a poster making and slogan writing competition was also organized. Rohit of BJMC and Saurabh from BTech Biotech were tied for the first position in the slogan writing competition. Kanika Arora of BTech Biotech bagged the first prize, while Arzu from MBA was declared second in the poster making competition. The event was completed by Ayushi and judged by Dr. Nitika.
Thank you, Ayushi. Neha, what details do you have on the mark on World Pharmacists Day?
World Pharmacists Day was celebrated by the School of Pharmaceutical Sciences through a virtual function. This year, the theme was Transforming Global Health to Educate Future Pharmacists.
Various other events were also organized by the department, which included declamation,
poster making and pharmacy talent hunt. Anshuman from semester 3 won the first prize in declamation and Leena from semester 1 won the second prize. In poster making contest, Vishal Mishra from semester 5 won the first prize and Saptaparni from semester 1 won the second prize. Rahul from semester 3 bagged the first prize in pharmacy talent hunt and second prize was given to Rajat Nikhil, a semester 1 student. All the participants were given e-certificate of participation. Vice Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla was the chief guest while the keynote speaker was Professor Saranjit Singh from Naipur, Mohali. Professor Deepak Kapoor, Dean School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, congratulated all the winners and elaborated on the career option for them.
Thank you so much, Neha. Here is the winner of Talent Challenge for this week. You enjoyed the nutty performance by Priya last week, and now witness the step of equally talented Kapil Busheri. Hope you all enjoy his performance. And finally, Radio Shulini program for this week by Rohit Uttam.
Hello everyone. The list of shows on Radio Shulini this week are as follows: Monarch by RJ Priyanshi and Durga Puja special by RJ Arzma. These shows are uploaded on my Shulini app. And a new video show has been uploaded on our YouTube channel, which is Dil Ki Baatein by RJ Purvi. So go listen to the shows. Thank you. Bye-bye.
That was excellent. Let's not forget that we all have some great creativity and talent within us. Let's just unleash it. If you want your work and your talent to get featured, please reach out to us on WhatsApp number 9888028882 or mail us on newsletter@shuliniuniversity.com. That's all for this week. We'll bring you the latest news from the campus next Friday. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. This is Yashoda signing off for now.